Hello, my name is Quentin, and welcome to my half of Science Brothers. I recently received 4 chemistry kits in the mail by KiwiCo and wanted to show them off, so I decided to start off part 1 with the easiest one, the Fire Lab. Well, since cardboard is still very much flammable, we will need a sheet of aluminum. And then we're also going to need some water, a methanol, a candle, 2 matchsticks, and 2 cotton swabs. You'll just want to put the candle in the middle and we're ready to go. So the main purpose of the experiment was to see how methanol reacted with fire. As you can see, the two are completely different. One seems to have been charred completely, and the other one seems to have not been affected. This has to do with the percentage of carbon in methanol, which is around 38%, which is pretty small. This small percentage of carbon in the methanol causes the carbon to get burnt immediately, and it does not reach a high temperature that a regular fire would. So without a complete combustion, there is no soot formed as a result of this incomplete combustion. As you can see, the fire seems to be a transparent blue when the methanol is burnt. This also has to do with the low carbon. The rest of the experiments were also quite straightforward. All you had to do was light a candle and a burner filled with methanol. Then, what you would do is wait for the candle wax to melt. Then you would put a Q-tip inside of the candle wax. Then you would dip it inside of either any of the chlorides. Then you would put it over the burner. The burner should turn a different color. This one isn't very easy to see, but it is supposed to be a pinkish yellow. You can also try this with the other chlorides, like copper chloride, which burns a nice bright green. A better way of doing it would be to grab a Q-tip, dip it in methanol, then dip it into a scoop of any of the chlorides.